How to fix Facebook Marketplace isn't available to you. Welcome and let's get right into this easy tutorial. For this, all you have to do is start off by launching your Facebook app in your device. Make sure to log in into your account if you have not yet. For this, tap on the three horizontal lines at the top of your dashboard. When you click on it, you'll be redirected to a menu section. Over here, tap on the setting gear icon at the top. Scroll down. Under Preferences, click on Tab Bar. Select on Customize the bar. Now in the available shortcut, you may see the option of Marketplace. If it is a hidden shortcut, for an example, let's imagine the friend request is the marketplace. Just tap on the button next to it, after which set it on auto. By this way, you'll be able to see the marketplace option in your dashboard. However, if the option is not available, this means your application needs an update. Head back from here and tap Open your Play Store. In your Play Store, to search for an update, search for Facebook in the search bar. If you see an update button, just leave your app for an update. If not, you can try to uninstall the application and reinstall it later. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.